Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OPPO Reno 12 FS and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. To do that, open Google Chrome application and tap on the three dots on the right corner. In it, scroll and choose Settings option, where we have our password manager. In this part you can manage your Google passwords. You can press on maybe Netflix. Not to get connect, you must enter your lock screen or Touch ID, and there, after you press this first icon, you can copy your email or passwords, or after you press this size icon, our smartphone show us passwords, which remember, by this icon we can share passwords to our friends or something like that, and there we can tap on edit, where we can edit our username, password and save. Remember, when you add something, you must press save. You can also delete all our smartphone, remember, by delete, and confirm by delete again. And that's all. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.